Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I reset my whole house. First things first, I want to thank my friend Angel for hosting this monthly collaboration. This is a Sunday reset. It happens monthly, and there are several really great creators that participate. And it's an open collaboration, so if you are a YouTuber and you want to participate in the coming months, then reach out to Angel, or you can leave me a comment and I can get you in touch with her. This monthly reset collab has really been something that I have been more sort of focused on in real life. I was participating in the Tiny Tidies for a while, and I still do find myself doing the Tiny Tidy throughout the week, but because of schedule changes and job updates and just sort of responsibilities kind of fluctuating, I have found that I do more of a weekly reset each week instead of every day doing something a little bit smaller. Now, with that said, typically my reset day is Monday. If you've been following me, you know that that's also my laundry day. So I will get my laundry going first thing in the morning and continue on with it throughout the day. And then as the laundry is going, I'll do things like vacuuming, mopping, cleaning up the kitchen, swiping the bathrooms, and that sort of thing. And then throughout the week, as time is available to me, then I may do things a little bit deeper, like scrubbing the tubs and showers, of course taking out the trash, and that type of thing. So all that just to say, everything is fine, everything is good. We have had some family changes, but it's nothing serious. And the weekly reset is just really what's working. And so that's kind of what has been on my channel here lately. Plus, as we get into the holiday season a little bit more, I have been decorating, and my mental capacity for filming it just isn't there at the moment. So if you're interested in seeing updates, I am going to be posting on my Instagram, probably Reels. And that way I can kind of keep you guys updated without having to go through the whole filming and editing process. Because right now at this stage of my life, for whatever reason, I am just feeling like when the time arises, I just want to get things done. And I don't want to take the time to set up the camera and move the camera and then edit the video and all the things. So for now, this is what's working for me. I hope you guys enjoy this weekly reset, and thank you again so much for being here. I would love for you to leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, how you found me. Let me know what works for you, if you're a big reset person in your home, or if small tidies throughout the week is kind of what keeps you going. Another thing that changes this time of year and is sort of time consuming is that my Jordan Essentials business sort of amps up as far as in-person events. There are vendor events and stuff all throughout the year, but this time of year is much busier, and so I have to devote a little bit more time and energy and my thought process in just getting ready for those events and making sure that I have enough stock on hand for those cash and carry events. So that's another place that my time and energy has been going to. And the reason I share that is because I do share some of my Jordan Essentials products and about the company and all of that on this channel. So I just wanted to connect the dots there and let you guys know that that has been amping up as well. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about Jordan Essentials, I would love if you'd check out some of the videos that I have here on my channel, or you can check the links in my description box and just go to the website, and then you can find tons of information there as well. Jordan Essentials is my favorite one-stop shop for all things bath and body, personal hygiene, and even home products. And the products are safe for pets and kids, which is a huge thing for me because I have pets and kids. But I share Jordan Essentials because I want to bring brand awareness, obviously, because it's such a great company, such a great brand. And it really is a one-stop shop for me. So it takes away some of the mental load that I would normally have if I had to go to the store and pick out makeup or body wash or home care products, even essential oils. There are so many things on the market that it just makes it so hard to price compare and ingredient compare. And Jordan Essentials is a company that I completely trust. I know that the products are safe. They're never tested on animals. They're free from chemical fillers. And the other thing that I really like about Jordan Essentials is that we are also a topical wellness company, and we have a lot of products that have magnesium, and I know magnesium is a hot button right now, and the benefits of magnesium are so stellar. And the topical magnesium is so great because it's bypassing your digestive tract and going straight to the areas of your body that really need it. Anyway, I just really wanted to make sure that I bring brand awareness about Jordan Essentials, and that all stemmed from me just kind of telling you where my head's been lately. So I hope that you do get a chance to check out the links in my description box. Please subscribe. I won't have a ton of videos coming out, but when I do, I would love to share them with you. Just finished getting dinner in the crock pot, and I'm gonna have tortellinis, but I have to share a funny story with you. So in the recipe, it calls for a can of diced tomatoes. So I went to reach for the green can of diced tomatoes in my pantry, and I started to dump it, and it's actually red kidney beans. So luckily it didn't dump out too much, and hopefully it won't affect my recipe too badly, but some of the bites might have a little hidden kidney bean in there. But what is in here right now is chopped up cream cheese, a block of cream cheese, a pound of hamburger ground up and browned, tomatoes, diced tomatoes, a thing of spaghetti sauce, and some broth and some seasonings. So this cooks for 4 hours, and then I'll add the tortellini and the spinach, and we'll be on our way. So in the meantime, I'm going to clean up the kitchen. I have been so thankful for this last little spurt of what we call Indian summer in the Midwest where I am. There's always a few days in like the beginning of November where it gets warm again, and I have the windows open in the morning and even close up the house and turn the air on for a day or two in the afternoons. But one thing that I like to do during my resets each week is to either get a candle lit or change out my Scentsy fragrances, because having my house smelling good is something that I'm totally obsessed with. I feel like it's the icing on the cake whenever my home feels clean and reset and ready for the week ahead. And so coming in and out now throughout the week as we're coming home from school and work and all the other things that we have going on just makes it feel that much nicer and cozier to come inside to a fresh smell in our home and know that it has been all cleaned up. One of the biggest motivators for me is having the windows open and having the nice weather coming in the house while I'm cleaning. I don't know if this is just a me thing or if other people feel that same way, but whenever it's nice outside and I can have the windows open, it makes me want to clean the house from top to bottom. I guess that's where the spring cleaning saying comes from. I'm not sure. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you're someone who is motivated by the weather and having the windows open as well. I just wanted to say thank you to you all again for watching. Like I said before, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you are taking part in some deep cleaning or some weekly reset cleaning and where you're coming from as far as finding my channel if you're new here. I do hope that you consider subscribing. I also would encourage you to find me over on Instagram and follow me there. The link to my Instagram is down below, as well as my web store for Jordan Essentials and my VIP group over on Facebook, where I share lots of exclusives and deals and sales. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna close out this video, finish up vacuuming, and then I just wanted to add at the very end, and you'll see that whenever I'm cleaning, a lot of times I will leave out some of the toys that my youngest daughter has been playing with. One of my favorite things when I'm cleaning the house is to find those little nuggets of imagination. I remember those little nuggets with the two older girls, and now my youngest is doing it. And so I just love finding that and just kind of thinking like, I wonder what she was pretending. So I will leave stuff like this out for a few days. Other than that, I appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed this reset, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.